Hello there, welcome to Rajya Sabha TV. I'm Ashwarya Kapoor with you. Here are all the updates related to global coronavirus pandemic. Across the world now, more than 4.6 million people have been infected with novel coronavirus and more than 3 lakh deaths have been attributed to COVID-19 all across the world. The US accounts for the maximum number of cases and deaths due to COVID-19. In the US, more than 1.4 million people have tested positive for coronavirus and more than 88,000 people have died due to COVID-19. In more news from the US House of Representatives has approved a $3 trillion COVID-19 bill. However, this bill will unlikely be passed in the US Senate. But if passed, it would be the largest relief package in US's history. And Dr. Robert Redfield, who is the director of the US Center of Disease Control and Prevention, has forecast that at least 1 lakh American lives will be lost to coronavirus by 1st of June. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump has announced a vaccine development program. This program is called the Operation Warp Speed. And Donald Trump says that it will ensure that a jab is ready by the end of this year. However, Trump also said that US is reopening with or without a vaccine. And now news from Europe. In Europe, there are signs of normalcy returning because many nations have eased their lockdown restrictions. So Spain has eased the lockdown restrictions for 70% of its population under phase 1. So Spain is easing lockdown restrictions in phases. Till now, at least 50% of the population was in phase 1, which is better than phase 0. But now more and more people are being brought under phase 1. So 70% of population is now under phase 1. And the rest, 30% of the people are mainly centered around the two largest cities of Madrid and Barcelona. They continue to remain in phase 0 because they are still getting a lot of cases. And in Italy, the worst affected area has been Lombardy, but it is also now going to ease lockdown restrictions from Monday. So a number of restaurants and shops are going to reopen. So this Lombardy area is the northern area, which was the worst affected, and it reported the maximum number of cases. And apart from that, the Italian government has also signed a decree that will allow travel to and from Italy from the 3rd of June. So this is a major easing of the restrictions because Italy had almost been in lockdown for almost 2 months, and in fact Italy was the first nation in Europe to have started imposing the lockdown restrictions. Apart from Italy and Spain, there are other European nations like Portugal and Greece that have eased their lockdown restrictions. However, there are concerns about the infection rate in UK because the infection rate in UK has crept up, and experts say that the rate has now reached a point where the virus starts to multiply rapidly. And now news from other parts of the globe. First up, news from Bangladesh, where UNICEF is building a coronavirus treatment center. This is going to be a 210-bed center, and this is going to be built in Cox's Bazar area. Now, why this area? Because this area is home to the world's largest refugee camp. This is the area where close to 1 million Rohingya refugees live, and this came after 2 people from this area tested positive for coronavirus. And now news from Brazil. The health minister of the country has tendered his resignation. So Nelson Teik became the second Brazilian health minister to have resigned within a month. Now this came after his disagreement with President Jair Bolsonaro over the government's response to the coronavirus pandemic. So remember, Jair Bolsonaro has been insisting that it is just a minor flu and there should not be any lockdowns. As a result, Nelson Teik resigned from his job. And this day also saw the maximum number of cases in one single day in Brazil. More than 15,300 cases of coronavirus were reported in one single day, and more than 824 deaths were reported as well yesterday. In total, Brazil has now more than 2,20,000 cases of coronavirus, and close to 15,000 deaths have been reported due to COVID-19 in Brazil. Meanwhile, the WHO has warned that Europe will have a second wave of winter infection. So, the European region director Hans Klung has warned that the countries that are easing their lockdown restrictions must be very careful, because he said this is the time for preparation and not for celebration. So those were the updates related to global coronavirus pandemic. Thanks for watching.